Popo isn't just a tropical delight. It's a true nutritional powerhouse. Unlike many fruits that only provide a few vitamins, pawpaw combines vitamins, minerals, digestive enzymes, and antioxidants all in one vibrant package. Together, these compounds work in harmony to support your body in ways many people don't realize. Think about it. One bite of this bright orange fruit can feed your cells, protect your organs, and even help your skin glow. And it's not just the sweet flesh that's impressive. The seeds, leaves, and even the peel contain unique compounds that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Scientists are only just beginning to uncover the full potential of pawpaw, and some of the findings are truly astonishing. When you eat it as a snack, blend it into a smoothie, or enjoy it in salad, pawpaw isn't just food. It's a natural health booster. So let's take a closer look at exactly what this fruit does to your body and why it deserves a place in your diet every day. 1. Nutrient powerhouse. Let's start with the basics. Nutrition. Pawpaw is low in calories, so it's perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthy without feeling heavy. But it's loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C. Just 1 cup of pawpaw gives you more than 100% of your daily requirement. This means it can help your immune fight off infections, support wound healing, and even protect your skin from damage caused by sun and pollution. Imagine a fruit that works like a natural shield for your body. Vitamin A. This vitamin is crucial for healthy eyes, vision, and skin. Eating pawpaw regularly can help maintain your eyesight and even improve skin health, keeping it smooth and glowing. Folate. Vitamin B9. Folate plays a key role in cell growth and DNA repair, making it especially important for pregnant women and growing teenagers. It also supports brain health and helps your body make new red blood cells. Potassium, one of the most important minerals for your heart, supports muscle function and keeps your heart beating steadily. Magnesium and fiber. Fiber helps keep your digestive system running smoothly, while magnesium supports muscle and nerve health, energy production, and even bone strength. In short, pawpaw gives your body more nutrients per bite than many other fruits, and it's all natural, low calorie, and easy to enjoy. It's like a complete little package of wellness you can eat. 2. Digestion and enzyme. Nature's digestive aid. Here is where pawpaw sets itself apart. It contains a powerful enzyme called papain. Papain is a natural protein digestive enzyme, which means it breaks down the proteins in your food into smaller molecules, making them easier for your body to absorb. Think of it as a tiny helper in your stomach, chopping up food so your body can get all the nutrients it needs. If you've ever felt bloated, heavy, or sluggish after a large meal, papain can help your stomach process food faster and reduce that uncomfortable feeling. Papain also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can soothe your gut lining and reduce irritation in your digestive tract. But that's not all. The seeds and leaves of pawpaw also contain enzymes and compounds used in traditional medicine to treat digestive issues, such as constipation or mild stomach discomfort. However, it's important to consume these parts in moderation because they are very potent. In short, pawpaw doesn't just nourish your body, it also helps the digestive system work more efficiently. Eating this fruit regularly can help you feel lighter, more energized, and less bloated after meals. 3. Immune system boost. Nature's bodyguard. Did you know that pawpaw is the most easiest ways to naturally supercharge your immune system? This fruit isn't just tasty, it's packed with compounds that help your body defend itself. Vitamin C, one of pawpaw's star nutrients. Vitamin C is essential for producing white blood cells, the soldiers of your immune system. These cells fight infections and keep you healthy, especially during cold or flu season. Carotenoid and other antioxidants. These compounds give pawpaw its orange color and protect your cells from free radicals, harmful molecules that can damage DNA, speed up aging, and increase your risk of chronic diseases like cancer. Free radicals are constantly attacking your body, from the air you breathe, the food you eat, and even stress. Antioxidants in pawpaw act like shield, neutralizing these harmful molecules before they can cause damage. But here's the surprising part. Pawpaw also has anti-inflammatory compounds. Chronic inflammation is linked to everything from fatigue to serious diseases. Eating pawpaw regularly can reduce inflammation, keeping your immune system strong and your body resilient. Imagine eating a fruit that does not only taste like a natural candy, but also work around the clock to protect your body. Pawpaw does exactly that. 4. Heart health, a hidden cardio ally. Here's a secret that most people don't realize. Popo is heart-friendly. This tropical fruit isn't just for your taste buds. It can actually support your cardiovascular system. That's because it has potassium and magnesium. These minerals help regulate blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels and balancing fluid levels in your body. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease, so Popo can help keep your heart in check. Fiber. Popo is rich in dietary fiber, which binds to cholesterol in your gut and helps remove it from your body. Lower cholesterol means your arteries stay clear, reducing the risk of heart attack and strokes. Antioxidants. The carotenoid and vitamin C in Popo prevent oxidative damage in your arteries. This means your blood vessels stay flexible and healthy, which is crucial for a strong heart. In fact, research has shown that people who eat Popo regularly tend to have improved heart markers, such as lower blood pressure and healthier cholesterol levels. That's right, just adding this fruit to your diet may help protect your heart and improve overall cardiovascular health. 5. Cancer fighting potential, the hidden power. Now here's the part that might truly surprise you. Popo contains compounds that can help your body fight cancer, papain and other enzymes. Laboratory studies have shown that these enzymes can slow the growth of cancer cells. They work by breaking down proteins that cancer cells need to grow, making it harder for the disease to spread. Carotenoids and antioxidants. These nutrients protect your DNA from free radical damage, which is one of the leading causes of cell mutation that can lead to cancer. It's important to be clear. Popo is not a cure for cancer, but including it in your diet gives your body extra protection at a cellular level, helping prevent damage before it even happens. Think of Popo as a natural armor, guarding your cells against everyday threats. Even more fascinating, some traditional medicine practices use Popo extracts for their immune boosting and cell protecting properties. Modern science is now catching up, confirming that this humble fruit may be more powerful than we ever realized. 6. Skin and anti-aging benefits. Glow from the inside out. Popo isn't just good for your body. It's a natural beauty booster. Vitamins A, C, and E. These antioxidants fight free radicals, which are unstable molecules that damage skin cells. Free radicals are a major cause of wrinkles, dullness, and premature aging. By neutralizing them, Popo helps your skin stay smooth and vibrant. Eating Popo nourishes your skin from the inside. Unlike creams that only work on the surface, Popo provides your body with essential nutrients that improve skin health at the cellular level. Vitamin C, for example, is crucial for collagen production, the protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic. Some skincare products contain Popo extracts because it can help repair damaged skin, promote healing, and reduce inflammation. It's gentle enough to calm irritated skin and has natural moisturizing properties. So when you eat Popo, it's like giving your skin a natural supplement, feeding it nutrients, fighting aging, and leaving it radiant without any chemicals or artificial additives. 7. Weight management, a sweet secret for your waistline. Trying to manage your weight, Popo can actually be a secret weapon in your journey. This is because it's low in calories and high in fiber. Popo fills you up without piling on excess calories. Fiber slows digestion, helping you feel full longer and reducing the urge to snack between meals. Natural sweetness. Craving something sweet? Well, Popo satisfies your sugar cravings naturally, without the added sugars found in desserts or candy. This makes it a perfect choice for anyone trying to eat healthier without feeling deprived. Digestive enzymes like papain. These enzymes help break down proteins efficiently, supporting your metabolism and aiding digestion. A well-functioning digestive system is key for maintaining a healthy weight. Easy to include in meals, whether in smoothies, fruit bowls, or even eaten plain. Popo works with your body to support weight management naturally. Think of it as a sweet treat that actually works in your favor, keeping you satisfied, energized, and nourished while supporting your goals. How to include Popo in your diet? Simple and delicious ways. Now that you know how amazing Popo is, the big question is, how do you actually eat it? Luckily, there are many ways to enjoy it every day. Fresh. Slice it up and enjoy it as a snack. Add it to fruit salads with berries, bananas, or pineapple for tropical twist. Smoothies. Blend Popo with yogurt, a splash of milk, or other fruits like mango and banana. It creates a creamy vitamin-packed drink that's perfect for breakfast or post-workout. Yogurt bowl. Add Popo chunks to your yogurt or oatmeal for a natural digestive and immune boost in every bite. Seeds. Popo seeds are tiny powerhouses with antimicrobial properties. A few crushed seeds can help fight bacteria and parasites, but don't overdo them. A small amount amount is enough. Tips for ripeness. The riper the popo, the sweeter and more nutrient-rich it is. A perfectly ripe popo should feel slightly soft and smell fragrant. Avoid fruits that are too hard or overly mushy. By including popo in these simple ways, you can enjoy all its amazing health benefits while adding color, flavor, and nutrition to your daily meals. It's one of the easiest fruits to make a part of your healthy lifestyle. Popo, it's not just a sweet tropical treat. This fruit boosts immunity, improves digestion, supports heart health, fights cellular damage, nourishes your skin, and even helps you manage weight, all in one colorful package. Nature truly packed a lot of power in this humble fruit. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with friends who love healthy living, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips that could change your life.